This can cause your compressor to single phase if voltage only getting to one terminal and it's not getting to the other one. It'll just be seeing one leg of power to this compressor. It'll overheat and it can possibly burn up the internal overloads, kill the compressor. That's what happened on the other one. It's single phase, but not this one. But I'm just saying because of dirt dauber. This compressor just ain't never been running. I think they don't even got the thermostat for this side to run. Like it's jacked up. But yeah. I don't think it's nanned up, but I'm gonna check. If this compressor started flooding and this got very weak, it could short the terminals out, trip the breaker. You see? This one burning up. That was a clean leg. That one. These two legs for overheating. Because of that dirt dauber. And this needs to be replaced. That would a single phase of compressor possibly.